How to switch accounts on Snapchat. Switching accounts on Snapchat is easy, but unlike Instagram, Snapchat does not allow multiple accounts to stay logged in at the same time. So, in order to switch accounts, you have to log out of one account before switching to another. So, first of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, tap on a Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile settings. Now once there, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your settings. Once inside the settings, scroll down and tap on the log out option available there. A confirmation will appear on your screen and all you have to do is tap on the log out, and once logged out, tap on the login or use another account option available at the bottom. Simply tap on it. Now, all you have to do is enter the credentials of your other account and tap login and log into your other account. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.